Hello there. Ever wondered how to create a Gmail account? Today, I am going to teach you just that. Gmail, a free email service developed by Google, is a fantastic tool that not only lets you send and receive emails, but also comes with 15 gigabytes of storage, so you can save important documents and photos. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with Google's other services like Google Drive and Google Calendar. So let's get started with creating your own Gmail account. First things first, you need to head over to the Gmail homepage. This is where your journey begins. Once you're there, you'll notice a button that says Create Account. This button is your gateway to Gmail. Click on it and you're ready to embark on the next step. Now that you've started the process, let's move on to the next step. So, you've clicked Create Account. Now what? Well, you're about to embark on a swift journey through the sign-up form. This is where you make your first impression on the digital world. Let's begin with the first field, your first and last name. This is your identity, your digital handshake. Make it count. Next, we have the desired email address. This is how you will be reached, how you will be remembered. Choose something professional yet personal, something memorable but not too complicated. Now for the password. This is your digital fortress, your virtual vault. It needs to be strong, unique. Mix it up with a cocktail of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. But remember, it also needs to be something you can remember. And voila, your form is filled, your identity crafted. With your information filled out, you're ready for the final step. You're almost there, just a few more steps. Now comes the verification process, an essential step in creating your Gmail account. This is where you'll need to provide a phone number. You might be wondering, why do they need my number? Well, this is a security measure implemented by Google to keep your account safe. They'll use a verification code via text message or a phone call. You'll need to enter this code in the designated space to prove you're not a robot. Once you've entered the code, Google will confirm that you're a real person, and you'll be one step closer to having your Gmail account. Now, it's time for the final step, activation. By clicking on the Next button, your account will be activated and ready to use.